Welcome! In this video I will show you how to block ads in Google Chrome browser on an Android device. As for now, there is no direct way to delete all ads from your browser, but what you can do is tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen, select Settings, then go down to Site Settings, scroll down until you see the Intrusive Ads and block it. You can also block pop-ups and redirects, and this will also get rid of many ads in your browser. Alternatively, you can use a different browser that has an ads blocking feature in it. For example, Brave browser, Opera browser, or an Adblock Browser by Adblock Plus. You can also use browser like Give Browser, which is basically a Google Chrome clone, but with an ad blocker installed in it. And that's it for this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.